Valentine's Day is all about love. And what better way to celebrate than with nails that are as gorgeous as you are? Today, we're diving into 7 adorable nail art ideas that are perfect for the season of love. Whether you're a nail art pro or just starting out, these designs are simple, fun, and guaranteed to turn heads. So, grab your favorite polishes and let's create some magic. 1. Classic red with heart accents. First up, we've got the ultimate Valentine's Day vibe. Classic red nails with tiny white hearts. This look is timeless, chic, and perfect for a romantic dinner date. Paint all your nails a bold red, and on your ring finger, add a few tiny white hearts. It's simple, elegant, and oh so lovable. 2. Pink ombre with glitter. Next, we're turning up the glam with a pink ombre and glitter combo. Start with a light pink base, then blend it into a darker pink toward the tips. Add a sprinkle of glitter on top for that extra sparkle. This design is perfect for anyone who wants to feel like a Valentine's Day princess. 3. Minimalist line art hearts. Okay, if you're into minimalist vibes, this one's for you. Paint your nails a soft nude or blush pink, then use a thin brush or nail art pen to draw tiny heart outlines. It's subtle, classy, and totally Instagram-worthy. 4. Candy hearts with messages. Who remembers those cute candy hearts with messages? Let's bring them to your nails. Paint each nail a pastel color, think mint green, baby blue, or soft yellow, and write tiny love notes like Gzokso or Be Mine. It's playful, fun, and totally unique. 5. French tips with a Valentine's twist. French tips, but make it Valentine's Day. Instead of the classic white, use pink or red for the tips. Then add a tiny heart at the base of one nail. It's a fresh take on a classic look, and it's so easy to do. 6. Glitter gradient with rhinestones. Feeling extra? This glitter gradient with rhinestones is for you. Start with a clear base, then dab on a glitter polish from the tips upward. Add a few rhinestones near the cuticle for that bling factor. This design is perfect for a Galentine's Day party or a night out. 7. Negative space hearts. Last but not least, we've got negative space hearts. Paint your nails a light pink or nude, then use tape or a stencil to create heart-shaped cutouts. Leave those parts unpainted for a modern, edgy look. It's trendy, chic, and totally eye-catching. Which design stole your heart? Classic red hearts or playful candy messages? Drop your favorite in the comments and share your own ideas. Your creativity always inspires me. Loved these ideas? Smash that thumbs up and subscribe for weekly nail inspo. Spread the love, try these designs, tag me, and let's make this Valentine's unforgettable. Stay fabulous and keep creating magic.